Hi guys, myself Salman Khan come up with another new video from the YouTube channel Chand Baatein. Today we will talk about whether the coronavirus is a conspiracy or whether it is actually a disease. Friends, I will not ask you to subscribe to my channel. I come straight to the point and let's start. But friends, if you thought there was a little bit information in the video, then it would be my right. So friends, Coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus or COVID, is a contagious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 SARS-CoV-2. The first known case was identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The disease has since spread worldwide, leading to an ongoing pandemic. Symptoms of COVID-19 are variable but often include fever, cough, headache, fatigue, breathing difficulties, and loss of smell and taste. Symptoms may begin 1 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. At least a third of people who are infected don't develop noticeable symptoms. Of those people who develop noticeable symptoms enough to be classed as patients, most 81% develop mild to moderate symptoms up to mild pneumonia, while 14% develop severe symptoms, dyspnea, hypoxia, or more than 50% lung involvement on imaging, and 5% suffer critical symptoms, respiratory failure, shock, or multi-organ dysfunction. Older people are at a higher risk of developing severe symptoms. Some people continue to experience a range of effects, long COVID, for months after recovery, and damage to organs has been observed. Multi-year studies are underway to further investigate the long-term effects of the disease. Transmission of COVID-19 occurs when people are exposed to virus containing respiratory droplets and airborne particles exhaled by an infected person. Those particles may be inhaled or may reach the mouth, nose, or eyes of a person through touching or direct deposition, for example, being coughed on. The risk of infection is highest when people are in close proximity for a long time, but particles can be inhaled over longer distances, particularly indoors in poorly ventilated and crowded spaces. In those conditions, small particles can remain suspended in the air for minutes to hours. Touching a contaminated surface or object may lead to infection, although this doesn't contribute substantially to transmission. People who are infected can transmit the virus to another person up to 2 days before they themselves show symptoms, as can people who don't experience symptoms. People remain infectious for up to 10 days after the onset of symptoms in moderate cases and up to 20 days in severe cases. Several testing methods have been developed to diagnose the disease. The standard diagnostic method is by detection of the virus nucleic acid by real-time reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction transcription mediated amplification, or by reverse transcription loop mediated isothermal amplification from a nasopharyngeal swab. Preventive measures include physical or social distancing, quarantining, ventilation of indoor spaces, covering coughs and sneezes, hand washing, and keeping unwashed hands away from the face. The use of face masks or coverings has been recommended in public settings to minimize the risk of transmissions. Several vaccines have been developed, and many countries have initiated mass vaccination campaigns. Although work is underway to develop drugs that inhibit the virus, the primary treatment is symptomatic management, involves the treatment of symptoms and supportive care, isolation, and also experimental measures. So friends, that's what science is all. Now we'll talk about whether the coronavirus is a conspiracy or whether it is actually a disease. So my friends, the thing is, if it is a disease or a conspiracy, you have probably seen a lot of patients' bodies in hospitals. It proves that it's something we should avoid. Please try to stay at home. If it is a conspiracy or it is a disease, it doesn't matter. We get evidence that people die in hospitals and we should avoid it. Friends, save yourself and your family. It's up to you now. So friend, if you think that this video would have been in Urdu, we would have understand more. So it's been made easier for it. Below is the link in the Urdu video in the description. Thank you very much. Be safe and sound.